Hi there, and welcome to what is really the first video in a series of many tutorials on a new digital training tool for orthopedic surgeons called KneeCAT. My name is Gunther Troend. I am a healthcare entrepreneur, and at KneeCAT I'm responsible for product development. I would like to introduce you to the founder and medical head of KneeCAT, Professor Heiko Greichen. Welcome, Heiko. You are well known in the TKA arena. Nevertheless, would you please introduce yourself?
Sure, Gunther. My name is Heiko Greichen. I'm orthopedic surgeon specialized in TKA and TKA revision surgery. I'm medical director of a large orthopedic hospital in the south of Germany. Within the team of KneeCAT, I'm the medical head.
Heiko, can you please describe what KneeCAT is good for?
KneeCAT, which stands for Knee Computational Alignment Trainer, is a web-based app. With the help of the KneeCAT app, orthopedic surgeons can simulate the entire decision-making process of a total knee replacement surgery.
Well, that sounds pretty interesting. Can you give us a tour through the software?
Each exercise starts with a short briefing on patient data. In the next section, you find all relevant information about the knee. Besides the information on FFD and HKA, we have also integrated the anatomical angles, MPTA and LDFA, as they are important for some modern alignment strategies. The cartilage values for all joint areas are additionally displayed. Very important is also the window of the gap width, showing differences in extension and flexion, medial and lateral side, at the beginning of surgery. And lastly, you find a section where we have defined the specific tasks the surgeon has to perform. This includes type of implant, type of alignment strategy, and balancing goal.
And then the trainee can start? Is there any training required before starting a case?
That depends a lot on the experience of the trainee. For this training, we have integrated a manual that gives all relevant information on how to use KneeCAT. And additionally, we offer training videos similar to this video.
That sounds like another great option of KneeCAT. Can you please summarize the main benefits of KneeCAT?
Firstly, it is a web-based learning tool for TKA, allowing training independent from where you are and how much time you have. Secondly, it offers case-based training of all modern alignment philosophies, which is unique. And thirdly, it's really fun to use the tool. It's combining teaching and gaming.
Thank you, Heiko. I guess we're going to stop here. If you are interested in KneeCAT, simply send us an email and we will get back to you shortly. So thanks for watching, and we hope we will see you soon in one of our courses.